What's the matter? He fell asleep. Do you want to fly? Here we go. And it fell. Oh. You getting better, Owl? Shall we try again? You hungry? You're eating my finger. Stop that. Ew. He tooted. Okay, you want to fly again? Here we go. And it's down. Let's move it more to the middle. You okay, Owl? Oh, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Better? Shall we make him dizzy? Oh, it's sorry. Okay, you want to fly again? Here we go. Oh, I forgot to move it to the middle. Okay, sorry, Owl. Good job. Good job. Yeah, oh, it's okay. Don't be sad. Yeah, good. Let's move you to the middle. Okay. You want to fly again? Yeah? What? Here we go. Now he's in the middle. He's going. Holy. Oh, she crashed it. He crashed again. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Good job. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. He's going to bed. Hi guys. So I forgot to tell you guys about the game that your owl likes to play. You push and hold this button, and it'll wake him up, and it'll start the game. So you have to remember the color blue, and then he'll play a song, and when his eyes turn the color blue, or whatever color that you've seen first, then you tap him gently. And we got it! And then if we get it 3 times in a row, so red. You see red? We got it! One more. Okay, so pink. We got it! He's gonna do a little dance. He's so happy. Should we see him fly one more time? Do you want to fly? Do you want to fly? Yeah? So you gently go up and down. He's hungry or something. Hold on. What's the matter? There. There we go. And when you hear that, and then he plays his trumpet, that means he's ready to go on. Here we go. Okay. How far will he go this time? How high? Ready, everybody? Here we go. He works really well if he's fully charged. Here we go. He's gonna do it. Wow. Good job. Yeah, good job, Owleez. Yeah. He's dancing. You're getting good, Owl. Good flyer. Yeah. Yeah. Do you need a nap? Oh. Rock him. Yeah, and then we'll put him on his nest. Maybe he'll take a nap. We'll play with him later. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks, guys.